Well, hello again, guys. Uh, with me again. My name is Alifarin. I am a collegiate from Telkom Institute of Technology, Industrial Engineering. I'm here. I just want to teach you how to make a aux bar chart and R chart. Well, as you know, it's one of type of control chart that really useful for us to detect the defective product. Well, it's usually used at the company, especially in manufacturing company. It can help us to detect how many products that allow to be produced and how to decrease about that. So I'm going to teach that. Well, here I have a data sample over here. And I divide it into 5 subgroups, and then I have a number of sample about 25. So it's about 125 data over here. So to make a chart and R chart, you have to create the the table like this. Well, there is no especially not special condition about this table. You can make the other table that contain X bar and R chart. This is very crucial that we have to average the X bar, and we have to find the rank. So I forgot to introduce you. R is rank from the data each subgroup. So sorry for that. Is little disturbance over here. So for make to find R, we have to find the minimum data every subgroup. So the way is like this. So you just try to type equal min, and then you select the rank of subgroup and click enter, and then for the max data every subgroup, you just try to type equal, and then you type max, and then you select the rank of subgroup again, and you just try to enter it. Okay, so for make a X bar is quite easy. You just try to so the formula is average. The formula I repeat again, average. So you just try to type equal average, and then you select the rank, of course the subgroup rank, and then try to click enter. Yes, for the rank is a special one. So rank is mean the formula of rank is maximum data minus minimum data. So you have found the maximum data over here, and you found minimum data over here. So we just try to calculate it. Maximum minus minimum. I'm going to try to click enter. Here we are. So I'm not going to type the formula again and formula again to solve this case. So you just try to drag it. Well, I usually call it drag because I'm sorry again. What is it? Okay, sorry for that. So we just try to click minimum data until the rank, and click node over here until the cursor has it saved, have a plus save, and then you just try to move it down until number sample of 20 over here. Okay, you done it. So after that, we must calculate X bar and R with the formula sum. So you just try to select the rank over here until over there, and I'm going to try to click enter. Okay, good. And then for the rata-rata or average, we just try to type average again over here, and then try to make it the rank over there. Click OK, click enter, and then move again like that, as just doing it before, and yep, we have a average for x bar, where we can say x bar from the bar is x double bar. So it means that after we average the data each subgroup, we have to average it again, depend on what is it number of sample. So it's actually rata-rata over here is like x bar, or we can say it x double bar, and range over here is just, we can call it r bar. So okay, we got the data over here, and then we have found the specification, and then we move to the other sheet. We have an X chart over here. Well, actually I forgot it is X bar chart. So for making the control limit for the X chart, we have to define at least three parameter. That is a UCL, or we can see UCL, and center line, and then LCL. Sorry for that, what is it? Okay, and then UCL is mean that upper control limit, is mean that the defect, the data is not allowed to surface the UCL, and LCL is also mean lower control limit. So the data is not cannot allow less than LCL, because if the data if of out of UCL or above UCL or below LCL, it means that data is out of control. We can say out of control. But if we found the data is still in UCL, below UCL, and then upper LCL, we can say the data in control. Well, you will see more clear after we have the graphic over here. So I'm just try to click rata-rata over here, and then I need rata-rata. I just try to type equal, and then click here, and just try to click, and don't forget to make it absolute for making okay. Oops, sorry. Okay, just try to click like this, copy, and then click right click, and then paste special. You just try to select value and click OK. Yes, here we are. So the center line well, sorry, over here it should be X double bar, and then for the center line is same like X double bar. I will just try to equal that, and from the UCL, so we have a formula here. UCL equal to X double bar plus E2 from R bar. Well, don't you know our A2 is we can get from the table. Well, I have prepared table over here, so up to here is can found with the table over here. Well, A2 here. So observation in sample N, we determine it as a subgroup type. So we have a 5 subgroup here, 5 subgroups. So the value of A2 that we should enter is 0.577. So A2 over here